Hello guys, you're welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Designer Taiwo. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to draft these beautiful waistline asymmetric gathers with a built-up neckline and with 50% princess cut tightening. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel. Let's get started. I have here with me my stay, which is 1 yard, my zipper, my lining also, and my crepe, which is 4 yards of crepe. And also I'll be adding my paper stay, which is 1 yard of paper stay. Also I'll be adding here with me. Can as well use 5 yards of crepe depending on the size of the person. The next thing I will be working on now is placing my pattern on my fabric, and I have gone ahead to do that. Can you see the way I place it? And ensure you pin it down after placing it. And I'll go ahead to add half inch to every part of it. We are working on the front part first. Please, I am working on the front part first. Just go ahead to add half inch to each round. Please, before watching this video, ensure you watch the part 1 of the drafting and cutting of the pattern before watching this video so that you can understand well. Please ensure you do that. So I've just gone ahead to add half inch to each round, and after adding half inch to each round, the next thing I'll be working on is cutting out my pattern, cutting out what I have marked. But before then, remember to always tape your bust dart. Please remember to always do that. Tape it down before cutting. And also remember to add your allowance. The allowance I added was 2 inches. Remember to do that. And after I was done, this is what it looks like after cutting it out. Just go ahead to cut it out, and that is the allowance, which is 2 inches that I added, and the remaining part is half inch, and this is what it looks like after cutting it out. So for the back pattern, I've gone ahead to add half inch to each round, just the way I have done for the front. Just go ahead and add half inch. So for the center back, I added 1 inch to it, and the down part I added 1 inch to the center back also, and 2 inch to the side back. Can you see? For every 2 inch for the side back. Just go ahead to do yours, and I'll be cutting this out just the way I've done for the front. Just go ahead and do the same for the back. The difference is that you just add 1 inch to the center back. So for the lining, I'll be cutting the lining out the same way I have cut out the back and the front pattern. I'll just go ahead to cut out the lining. Just ensure you do that. And I've gone ahead to cut out the lining, can you see? And also cut out the stay with it, and also the soft paper stay. Also I've gone ahead to cut everything out, and also the soft paper stay. I'll just go ahead to iron everything on my lining and my fabric. The stay is going for the fabric, and the normal stay, which is the soft stay, is going for the lining. I hope you understand. The stay is going for the fabric, the normal soft stay, paper stay, which is paper stay, is going for the lining. I'll just go ahead to iron everything now, and I'll be showing you guys by the time I'm done. So by the time I was done adding the stay and the paper stay, which is the soft stay, this is what it looks like, and this is what I have here. Just go ahead to add your stay and your paper stay to everything. Can you see? The stay is for the main fabric and the paper stay is for the lining, and this is what it looks like. Everything, both the front and the back, I've gone ahead to do that. So the next thing I will be working on is joining everything together. So I'll go ahead to remove the pins. I'll be working on the front first, then this is the center front, then I went ahead to take the side front, and I'll be joining them together. Please ensure when you're doing this, remember we added half inch to each round. You just go ahead to mark that half inch round. I hope you understand. Just watch what I am doing and you get it. Just go ahead to mark half inch to it all around at the side front, and also the other part to half inch to it. Just go ahead to do that. You remember we do that when before cutting it out. Just go ahead to mark the half inch, then you will sew it down. When you are done, just go ahead to sew everything down on each side. Can you see? By the time I'm done, I'll show you guys how it looks like. So after I was done, this is what it looks like, and this is it. Just go ahead to join yours, and this is how it should look by the time you are done. Right now I'll just go ahead to iron it using my tailor's arm. Please, whenever you're ironing your princess cut, please ensure you use iron it with your tailor's arm. And I've gone ahead to join the lining, marking out my half inch just the way I've done for the main fabric. Just go ahead to do that on your lining. So I've gone ahead to join the lining also, and I'll just be ironing this out using my tailor's arm. Just watch the process of my ironing. Ensure you spread it out the way I'm spreading it out. Open up, then take your iron and press it down. Please do not rush this process. It is very important for your clothes to come out nice. So by the time I was done, this is what it looks like. I just show you more part of it. You just go ahead to do the same, just the way we have done for the first part that I showed you, and also for the lining, just go ahead and do the same. So after I was done, this is what it looks like after ironing the lining and the fabric. Can you see? Please ensure you iron well for your fabric to come out nice. So I've gone ahead to mark out ½ inch on the neck part. So I've placed the main fabric on the lining so that I'll be able to turn the neck. Just go ahead to mark half inch on the neck part so that you'll be able to sew it. Can you see? So the next thing now is the style lines, which is the down part of the front. Can you see? I've gone ahead to mark out ½ inch too at the down part and at the side half inch. So for this part, we'll be joining it to the upper part, the other upper part. Please ensure you are pinning all that you are doing. Please ensure you are pinning them down. So after joining the neck part with the lining, this is what I have. This is what I have here. So I'll go ahead to notch it. Please ensure you are notching it so that it will be able to turn out well. So at this point, I'm just trying to trim off the excesses there. So just try to notch it, notch every part of it well so that by the time you are ironing, it will come out nice. So after I was done notching, this is what it looks like, and I've gone ahead to join the side part also. And for the style lines, this is what the style lines looks like. I've gone ahead to join these style lines. The next thing I'll be working on is notching it. Can you see the way I am notching it? Just go ahead to notch it. This is done so that you'll be able to turn well and it will be able to be last well. If you do not notch it, it will not be last well. Please ensure you are notching it, and by the time I'm done, I'll go ahead to iron all that I have notched. I'll just go ahead to turn it. Can you see the way I'm turning it? And when I'm done, I'll just go ahead to iron it out. So after I was done ironing it out, this is what it looks like. Can you see the style lines? Can you see how it's coming out nice? So I've gone ahead to iron the front part also. Can you see the front? I've gone ahead to turn everything and iron it, and this is what it's looking like, which the front is looking like. And I'll go ahead to join the style lines to the upper part. Just go ahead to join it just the way I've done. So before joining it, we move ahead to the back pattern, and this is the back pattern. Just the way we have done for the front, just go ahead to join the back pattern together. Just go ahead to join them together, and when I'm joining, I'll come back to show you guys. So when I was done, this is what it looks like, the join. Can you see? I've gone ahead to join this side, and this is what it look like. Can you see the way it's looking neat? Just go ahead to join them together this side, and that is the center back. That is the center back. The next thing now I'll be working on is using our lining to turn them, to turn each side together. Just use your lining to turn each part together, just the way I have done, because I have also joined the lining. Can you see? So I'll be marking ½ inch all around, just the way I've done for the front. I'll just go ahead to mark ½ inch all around, and I hope you have seen it, because I've gone ahead to mark the ½ inch on the neck part, and at the center back I'll just sew by 0.25, not ½ inch. I'll just sew by 0.25, and the side back I'll just sew by 0.5. So I've gone ahead to turn the style lines for the back. This is it, and this is how it's looking like. Guys, I've just gone ahead to turn it and iron it just the way we have done for the front. That is what you do for the back also, and that is what it is looking like. So when I'm done joining, I'll come back to show you guys. So when I was done, this is what it's looking like. Can you see? By ½ inch, and the other side back ½ inch, and the center back 0.25. So I'll just go ahead to notch the neck part. Please make sure you are notching it so that by the time you are done turning, it will last well. So I'll just go ahead to turn it, then iron it down. So after I was done joining and turning it, this is what it looks like when I was done ironing. This is what it looks like, and this is how yours should look like also. And the next thing is joining the style lines. I call it style lines together to the upper part. I'll just go ahead to join them together. Please ensure you are doing the right thing. Can you see? Just go ahead to join it. When I'm done, I'll show you guys. By the time I'm done, I'll go ahead to join for the back and the front part also. So after I was done joining the back, this is what the back looks like. That is the style lines. Can you see the style lines coming out nice? Can you see the curve? Everything is coming out nice. So the next thing I'll be working on is the spread and snatch. For the spread and snatch, I'm using 2 years of fabric. Just 2 years of fabric, and as well use 3 years depending on what you want. So for the length of your gown, just go ahead to determine the length of your gown. Ensure you minus your half length before you determine the length of your gown. So for the pattern paper, I have 4 pieces here, 4 pieces. So in order to determine how much I want to spread it, I will just say 36 divided by 4, which is the 4 pieces paper that I have, the 4 pattern paper I have. 36 divided by 4, I have 9. So my spreading now will be 9. I'll be spreading by 9 inches, and after I'm done, I'll just add half inch to the upper part for sewing allowance. And please do not forget, let your fabric be on fold. You know, I told you that we are using 2 years of fabric, right? Just ensure you that 2 years, just fold it into two. By the time you fold it into two, you will have 1 yard. That is the 36 I was talking about. I was dividing by 4. That is 36 divided by 4. You have your 9 inch that you spread with. Please just ensure you do that. I just hope you guys understand. Can you see the way I am spreading by 9 inches? Just go ahead and spread yours. So guys, by the time I was done spreading, I went ahead to add half inch around that part. Can you see? Just went ahead to add half inch to it. And also between 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, I just divide it into 2. Just hope you understand. Just go ahead and divide it into 2 and mark that point out. Can you see? And mark that point out and try and follow the curve, because that part is necessary to create that curve. Can you see that curve there? To create that curve, please don't just cut it anyhow. Just try and create that curve at that point. So I just went ahead to do that, and this is what it looks like. And I will be cutting it out now. I'll be cutting it out. Just go ahead and cut it out. So this is how it looks. By the time I was done cutting, this is the look. So this is how we'll be printing it out. Please ensure you do this part. It is very necessary. So I went ahead to open it up so you can see. This is how it looks by the time I open it up, and this is how yours should be looking. Let it not be straight, it should be curvy like that. So I will just go ahead to tape that part just to turn it in. If you have a weaving machine, you can use it as well, but I went ahead to turn it in, and I went ahead to take my front part and I mark half inch at the style lines. I mark half inch at that point. That is where I will be doing my gathers. Can you see the way I am doing at that point? That is where I'll be printing the gathers on the half inch mark. That is where I'll be printing it. So by the time I was done printing it, this is how it is looking. Can you see the gathers? It really came out nice, and this is how it's looking by the time I was done. And I went ahead to press it down with iron a bit. Can you see? Just go ahead and do yours. Just press it down with iron. So after pressing it with iron, this is the inner part. Please note that we are working for the front. This is the inner part. So for the back, I've gone ahead to spread the back also, and this is how it is looking, just the way we have done for the front. Just spread by 9 inch. Please, for the back, center back, for the spread and snatch, please notch it so that you will know this is your center back and this is your side back. Please notch your center back. And I went ahead to add half inch to the upper part also. So when you get to the 2 and 3, please remember to divide it into 2, just the way I've done for the front. Just go ahead to divide it into 2 and follow the curve. Please just follow the curve. Can you see the way I am doing it? Just go ahead and do yours. So by the time I'm done, this is what the back looks like. So I just went ahead to notch the center back to indicate that that is my center back. Please ensure you do that. And I'll go ahead to turn that upper part in. As I've said earlier, you can as well use your weaving machine to do that. And I will be marking out half inch at that point and print my gathers on it. So after I was done printing, this is what I have for the back. Can you see the gathers? Just go ahead and gather yours on that half inch mark that I have marked, and I'll go ahead to add my zip to the center back. Can you see? I'll just go ahead and add it and show you guys. So after adding the zip, this is what it looks like for the back. Can you see? This is what it looks like, and everything is aligning so well. Ensure your work is neat and perfect, and it is aligning so well. And this is what the inner part is looking like. Can you see? So the next thing I'll be working on is joining them together. I'll just go ahead to join them together. So I'll be working on the shoulder first. That is the main fabric joining the main fabric, that is the back fabric joining the front fabric. Let it join together, and the lining joining the lining. I just hope you understand. Just watch the video well and you get. Can you see the lining is joining each other and the two fabric are joining each other? Then I'll just go ahead and turn it together and sew. Can you see the way I am turning it? Just go ahead and turn yours and sew that part and sew the shoulder. I'll be doing the same thing for the other and for the other shoulder too. Can you see the way I turn it? Just go ahead and turn it and join it together. Fabric facing fabric, lining facing lining. So after joining the shoulder, this is what it looks. Can you see? After joining the shoulder, so I've just gone ahead to join my sides together. Just go ahead and measure your measurement and join the side, and this is the outcome of it. Can you see the pleating? So I'll just go ahead to tape the down part in to sew the down part and also work on the sleeve, and this is what it is looking like. So I just went ahead to cover the waistline up. Can you see? Just to make it more neater and to make my work more neater, I just went ahead to cover that up. So the next thing I'll be working on is my sleeve. I've gone ahead to cut out a basic sleeve. Can you see? Just go ahead to cut out a basic sleeve. And at the center part of the basic sleeve, I did 9 inches. Can you see? And at the side, I did 5 inch. Just go ahead and determine the kind of sleeve you want for your gown. I did 5 inch, and for the allowance I added 2 inch to it because I don't want it to be too fitted. I added 2 inches for the allowance. Then at the down part I added ½ inch to it. Can you see? If you notice, the down of the sleeve is not really straight, it's a bit curvy. Just go ahead and mark a curve it. Just go ahead and curve it, and I'll be adding my quilline at the down part. So guys, after I was done with the sleeve, I went ahead to attach it to the gown, to the dress. This is how it is looking like. This is the final outcome of the dress. Can you see? It came out nice, so nice, and this is how it should look. So this is the end of this tutorial. Guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, please do well to share, comment and like this tutorial, and also do not forget to always subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.